We spread the printed word. We make things more colorful. We infuse personality into packaging. We are the Sakata Inx Group, and we bring visual communication technology to the world. The place was Japan. The year was 1896, and the company that would become Sakata Inx established its roots with newspaper ink that dried faster and made text clearer and crisper to read. With that new visual communication technology, the template was set. As the publishing industry progressed through the 20th century, Sakata Inx fueled its growth with new and specialized ink formulations. Inks that would allow higher printing speeds. Inks that made color possible. Inks that met continuous demands for improved reproduction quality. Discovering better visual communication technology became the forte of Sakata Inx. And that spirit of discovery continues to spearhead the company's offerings to many different industry segments today. Quite naturally, our discovery process starts in the lab where Sakata Inx focuses on 5 core technologies. To add new qualities to products, we are designing new resins at the molecular level. For more demanding print and electronic applications, especially for electronics manufacturing, we are meeting challenges by decreasing the size of dispersion pigment particles from submicron to nanoscale level. To help printers with value-added solutions, we're developing new coatings and varnishes for visual enhancement. For superior digital information and networking compatibility, we're advancing image processing and coloring technologies. And of course, we bring printers the technology to maintain consistency and meet global color standards like ISO. Putting its color technology to work, Sakata Inx advancements are helping offset printers bring more beauty and sophistication to the printed image. It's color technology that's enabling them to print faster and print on many different types of substrates. For flexographic printing on paperboard, Sakata Inx has turned simple packaging into powerful branding statements. With water and solvent-based flexo inks and coatings, Sakata Inx is now meeting very demanding packaging needs for gloss, rub resistance, UV coatability, and more. For gravure printing on film grocery packaging, Sakata Inx developments like Bell Color and Lamial Sigma inks lead the way for high-performance retort pouches and multi-wall bags. For improved efficiency with lower applied costs, Sakata Inx has helped introduce a wide variety of energy-curable inks for UV and EB printing. With safety a concern, our low-migration inks are helping food manufacturers comply with tougher packaging standards and regulations. Not surprisingly, the company's passion for finding better ways has made Inx the world's leading supplier of metal decorating inks for beverage cans and flat-sheet metal printing. Inx is also a leading ink supplier for impact extruded aluminum, polymer-coated steel, and rigid plastic containers. In addition to inks and coatings, the company's refinements with color pigmentation has made it a leading resource for inkjet, toner, and pigment dispersions for color filters used in smartphones, computers, touchpads, and LCD monitors. Then there's Inx Digital. Combining new technology with inkjet and toner chemistries, Inx Digital is helping traditional customers evolve to meet new demands for shorter runs, variable data, and faster turnarounds. With the ability to create ink solutions for virtually every substrate, as applied by virtually every type of digital printer and printhead, Inx Digital is creating new market opportunities for its customers in packaging, wide-format graphics, home decor, transactional printing, and more. Inx Digital also presents customers with world-class engineering capabilities for the design of print engines, printhead electronics, and ink delivery systems. As a result of this engineering prowess, Inx Digital works closely with integrators to bring finished solutions to the market. These solutions include patented technology for printing cylindrical items, flatbed technology perfected for high-resolution prototyping and short runs, and narrow web technology perfected for high-resolution labels and variable data projects. Finally, Inx Digital can integrate it all for maximum productivity with superb pre- and post-sales support. One last area where Sakata Inx technology has made a major contribution is in environmental protection. In this important area, Sakata Inx is continually striving to introduce new products and systems friendlier for the planet and all its inhabitants. It's thinking to help the world become more colorful, cleaner, brighter, greener. As a result of this thinking, Sakata Inx has introduced vegetable oil ink, non-VOC ink, waterless offset ink for commercial printing, non-toluene ink, non-MEK ink, and low-energy cure inks formulated for fast make-readies and low-temperature bake. We are the Sakata Inx Group. With vision and capabilities, we truly are a global resource for visual communication technology. From Japan to China, Vietnam, Malaysia, Thailand, Philippines, Indonesia, and India. We have a solid base in the United States, reaching out to Canada and Mexico. And in Europe, our tightly knit network of companies stretches from the United Kingdom to France, Spain, Italy, and the Czech Republic. We are the Sakata Inx Group. With Inx International and Inx Digital, we bring visual communication technology to the world.